Now I'm discussing about the list of finance commission. First is K.C. Yogi 1951, second K. Santhanam 1956, then Chanda 1960, Rajmanna 1964, fifth was Mahavir Tyagi 68, sixth was Brahmanand Reddy 72, Shelhat 7th 77, Chavan 8th 82, Salve 87, ninth, K.C. Pant 10th 92, 11 Khusro, 12 Rangarajan, 13 Vijay Kelkar, 14th was Reddy, and 15 2017 N.K. Singh. There is a list of election commissionerate system. First was the Sukumar Sen, that was 21 March 1950 to 58. Second was K.V. Sundaram 58 to 1967. S.P. Sen third 67 to 72. Nagendra Singh fourth 72 to 70. And after then K.V. Swaminathan, then Shet. We need to think about the starting के पाँच सुकुमार सेन, K.V. सुंदरम, सेन वर्मा, नागेंद्र सिंह एंड स्वामीनाथन, एंड 15 हैं एन गोपाला स्वामी. ओके, एंड प्रेजेंटली अगर देखें तो श्री ज्ञानेश कुमार अभी प्रेजेंटली हैं ये इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. श्री ज्ञानेश कुमार है. इससे पहले थे राजीव कुमार 25 तक. फरवरी में अभी ज्ञानेश कुमार हैं जो कि हैं फरवरी से 29 तक जाएंगे ये. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए अपने चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नरेट के जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं. ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन में लिस्ट होगी इसकी कहीं ना कहीं. तो लिस्ट ऑफ चेयरपर्सन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन, तो 1993 में ये आया था 96 तक 12 अक्टूबर. पहले थे रंगनाथ मिश्र, फिर थे M.N. वेंकटचलैया, फिर थे J.S. वर्मा, फिर थे आनंद 99, 2003 और 2006. ठीक है, तो पहले चार है रंगनाथ मिश्र, वेंकटचलैया, S.R. वर्मा और आनंद. और लास्ट में अभी जो है 2024 से इंक्यूबमेंट में है वी रामा सुब्रमण्यम जस्टिस हैं ये. ठीक है, तो अब हम थोड़ा बहुत ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन के बारे में भी देख लेते हैं. नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन इज ए स्टेटूटरी ऑर्गन. 12 अक्टूबर 1993 में आया था. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट ऑर्डिनेंस वॉज देयर in 28 September. So it is given the statutory basis Human Right Act 1993, responsible protection and promotion of human rights which are defined as act of the right relating to life, liberty, dignity, constitution or embodied in the international convention also. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhanaya, that was all, may all be happy, 12 October 93, and that was the India was there. Okay, so what is there? Human Right Commissionerate proactively, reactively inquire into violation of the human right. Public servant to protect human right, recommend measures, review the factor of terrorism and human right recommendation, treaties and international instruments, undertake the promote research, visit the jails and engage human right education, and encourage the NGOs for field of human right, necessary protection and public record maintain karna. So this is the work of Human Right Commissionerate. Body is there. It is governing body of Ministry of Home Affairs and Protection of Human Right 1993. So that was federal law. Headquarter was in the New Delhi, and Minister Amit Shah, Home Affairs, and Nityanand Affair of the Home Affairs. Okay, so agency Justice V. Rama Subramaniam, Chairman, and Bharat Lal, Secretary. So Bharat Lal is a secretary, and the V. Rama Subramaniam. Um, Andhra Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, and this was so chairperson who has been a Chief Justice of India. So what is the composition? There is a 5 members plus one chairperson, total 6 member. Okay, first is the Chief Justice of India, who will be the chairperson, or a Supreme Court judge, and one member who has a judge of Supreme Court, and Chief Justice of High Court also who can be, and 3 members, out of which at least one shall have a woman to be appointed from among his person having knowledge of the matter relating to human right. An additional chairperson of National Commission for Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe, Women, Minorities, Backward Class, and Protection of Child Right and Disability. So, a serving judge of Supreme Court, incumbent Chief Justice of High Court can appoint it only after the consultation of the Chief Justice of India. So, this is the V. Ramaswamy, 23 December 2024, Chairperson, National Commission for Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe, Minority, Women, Backward Class, Protection of Child Right and Disability. This is ex officio members, and core groups are also there for the older person, environment, and group of bonded labor, LGBT, and that disability. State Human Rights Commission, that was 1993, 25 states में है ये, have a constituted the state human right at present 25 state. Okay, so this question must be asked that how many states. So 25 states are there, and this is a act actually. You can see this Human Rights Commission, and Assam में सबसे पहले आया था, that was in 96, and after then यहाँ पे वेस्ट बंगाल में भी आ गया था 94 में, and after then सब जगह आया था. ठीक है. Now next one is what? So the appointment to section 2, 3 and 4 of the Human Rights Commission. चेयरपर्सन होता है and are appointed by the President of India on the recommendation of committee. तो यहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट इसको अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें कमिटी में पीएम प्लस होम मिनिस्टर प्लस लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ऑफ लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, स्पीकर होंगे लोअर हाउस के, एंड डिप्टी चेयरमैन राज्यसभा के. So this all will be there. Prime Minister, Home Minister, leader of position of Lok Sabha, leader of position of Rajya Sabha, speaker and the deputy speaker. ठीक है. List of the chairperson of human right: first Raghunath Mishra, then M. Venkatachalaya, then V.S. Verma, E.S. Anand, Shivraj Patil, Rajendra Babu. So first was Raghunath Mishra, then Venkatachalaya, then J.S. Verma, E.S. Anand, Shivraj Patil, Rajendra Babu, and Mathur बालाकृष्णन. अभी जो है वी सुब्रमण्यम. सो आपको स्टार्टिंग में 5 याद रखने: रंगनाथ मिश्र, वेंकटचलैया, देन जे.एस. वर्मा, देन आनंद वॉज द 4th. ओके, एंड दिस वॉज द लिस्ट. कंट्रोवर्सी रिपोर्ट कंसर्निंग हाउ शिवराज भटनागर मर्डर केस रिजेक्टेड इवॉल्विंग हाई रैंकिंग ऑफिशियल. National Human Rights Commission of India had its accreditation with the UN recognized Global Alliance National Human Rights Institution 2024. As a Paris Principle, you need to know about the Paris Principle. This was attributed to issues such as the lack of transparency and inclusion of the police officer in human rights investigations, because it's not an investigating agency. This is the drawback. We need to curtail this. And minority representation within the commission, composition of political meddling. Human Rights Campaign recognition, that was 16 to 19 police encounter with his Maoist Guntur and Kurnool was facing. So that was the fake encounter was there. So this is all about the human right. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the State Human Rights Commission. So Rajasthan has a state human rights commission. It was came 18 January 1919 to exercise the power conferred the function assigned to state human rights commission. Chapter 5 of protection of human rights 1993. So date is 18 January. Okay, so this was National Human Rights Commissioner. It's a presiding agency and federal law enforcement Jaipur में है and presently Gangaram Mulchandani is the head. So this is commissioned become function 23 March and 2000. It is functioning from 2000 in March. And Kanta Kumar Bhatnagar, it was Bhatnagar, Kanta Kumari Bhatnagar, Chief Justice of the Madras, the first chairperson, and R.K. Akodia and B.L. Joshi and the Alam Shah as a supporting member. Akodia, Joshi and Alam Shah. So what the work? So that's point number 12. It is telling what inquire into the so motto for the presented victims, violations, negligence, prevention of the violation, intervention, proceeding involving the allegation of human right, and anything contain the law, that was jail, institution, and all that. Review the safeguard the provided by the under constitution and the protection of human rights, effective implementation. Review the factor including the act of terrorism. Study treaties and international instruments. Undertake promote the research and among the various section of the society, awareness, safeguard available protections. Encourage the non-governmental organization and such as the function considered for the human rights. So this is the inquiry. So commission while inquiring the complaints, if information report not received within the time, it may proceed to inquire the complaints. It sounds central government any state on the authority or this subordinate has within this. If received information or report commission satisfied, no further inquiry will be there without prejudice to anything that was considered necessary in regard to the national complaint. So what is the inquiry? Where inquiry disclose commission violation of the human rights to make the payments, compensation, damages victim of the member his family. Commission may consider necessary to initiate the proceedings and prosecutions to take the further action. So approaches of Supreme Court and High Court concern such direction, order or delivery as court may necessary recommend to the concerned government or authority so that immediate relief to victim for the families also. So subject of provision, provide a copy inquiry reports for to representation. Commission shall send the copy to the concerned government within a period of 1 month, and such further commission allow forward the report including the action of the commission. Commission shall publish inquiry report of the concerned government and taken into the concern. Now procedure to respect to the armed forces. So it is either it own motion it will petition seeks to inform the central government, and after the receipt it may either not proceed with the complaint or it in case may recommendation to the government. Central government shall inform the commission about the recommendations in the 3 months, and the commission publish its report recommendation for this such, and the commission shall provide the copy of this report also in the subsection of 3. So annual special commission. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेजेंट हमें बता सकते हैं कि पहले गंगाराम मूलचंदानी हैं, इसके चेयरपर्सन हैं अभी महेश गोयल, आशुतोष शर्मा, HR पुरी, देवराजन, जंगाराम श्रीवास एंड RV पंडित एंड संचिता बिश्नोई एंड सौरभ श्रीवास्तव, ये इसके मेंबर्स रह चुके हैं. ठीक है, तो कंपोजिशन में एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रकाश चंद्र टाटिया दैट वाज अ जस्टिस, फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द झारखंड अपॉइंटेड एज अ चेयरपर्सन. सो as a recommended the Sri Chandra Mohan Meena as a member and expert committee was there. So annual special reports are giving to this. So central government, state government as a may be the cause annual report before the House of Parliament or state legislature. Memorandum of action taken proposed by the recommendation of the commission. Okay, so this was the present team is that Gangaramji Moolchandani. Former chairperson was the Kanta Bhatnagar. After then the Syed Sagir Ahmed. After then Nagendra Kumar Jain. Sagir Ahmed, then Nagendra Kumar Jain. After Amar Singh Godara and Akodia Joshi, Alam Shah, Namo Narayana Meena, Dharm Singh Meena, Jagat Singh and Pukhraj Singh. So by first was the Kanta Kumar Bhatnagar, Syed Ali Ahmed, Nagendra Kumar and Amar Singh Godara. So this was the 4, and you can see these reports also provided here. Significant incidents are also there. So this is all about, you can say, about the Human Right Commission relating to the state. Rajasthan State Election Commission is the autonomous and the statutory body which is Indian Rajasthan, ensuring the election free and fair. It is under the Article 243K and 243Z, 320 for ensure the creation, safeguard state election commissioner, and the is responsible for the urban local body, municipality, municipal corporation, and panchayat election. So there is a 1994 July it was created, Rajasthan, and headquarter was in the Jaipur Secretariat. Chitra Gupta was the secretariat. Agency was Madhukar Gupta as a state election commissioner. So Rajasthan State Election Commissioner was a election commissioner for the 1950 May it was created, and state level election, state level commissioner appointed by the governor. It was appointed by the governor. Ensure autonomy and the Rajasthan state elections and remove from office except the ground of manner specified by the judge of High Court. पावर क्या होती है? रिलीजिंग द शेड्यूल, इशू नोटिफिकेशंस कंटेनिंग द गाइडलाइन फॉर द कंडक्टिंग इलेक्शंस, कंडक्ट द म्यूनसिपल पंचायत के जितने भी इलेक्शंस होते हैं, म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ द स्टेट गाइडलाइंस देना, मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, अपडेटिंग इलेक्ट्रल रोल, डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स, ऑर्डरिंग एंड मेकिंग द अरेंजमेंट्स, डिसीजन कंडक्ट करना, इंश्योर द प्रॉपर कंडक्टिंग द लोकल बॉडी पोल्स एंड पंचायत consequences in cases of malpractices. So, Rajasthan State Commissioner is a Chief Election Commissioner and many members. And Shri Madhukar Gupta is the Chief Election Commission of the Rajasthan. Presently, it changed. The time period is 5 year, attaining the 65 year, whichever will be the earlier. 73rd and 74 Constitutional Amendment declaring this. And you can see the list also. सो इट वॉज फर्स्ट वॉज इंद्रजीत कुमार खन्ना, इससे पहले एन आर बसिन थे एंड अमर सिंह राठौड़। सो पहले थे अमर सिंह राठौड़, फिर एन आर बसिन, इंद्र कुमार खन्ना। ये कुछ लिस्ट है इसमें। तो पहले अमर सिंह राठौड़ बने थे 1994 में, उसके बाद में बसिन आए थे जो कि 2000 में, फिर आए इंद्र कुमार जी खन्ना, दैट वाज इन 2002 to 7, फिर पांडे जी आए थे 2008 से लेकर के 13 तक, फिर आए थे राम लुबाया, दैट वाज 2013 to 17, उसके बाद में आए थे प्रेम सिंह मेहरा 2017 से 22, और प्रेजेंटली मधु कुमार गुप्ता, दैट वाज 2022 से ऑनवर्ड्स। तो अमर सिंह राठौड़ वॉज द फर्स्ट वन। फॉर द स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर। स्टेट फाइनेंस कमिश्नर की जो लिस्ट है, इसमें सबसे पहले स्टेट फाइनेंस कमीशन 1995 से 2000, के गोयल वॉज द फर्स्ट। के गोयल पहले स्टेट फाइनेंस कमिश्नर थे। इसके बाद में आए थे हीरालाल जी देवपुरा 2000 से 2005, फिर आए थे मानिक चंद 2005 से 2010, इसके बाद में आए थे बी डी कल्ला 2010 से 2015, फिर आए थे प्रद्युमन सिंह विद द डॉक्टर ज्योति किरण। पहले ज्योति किरण जी, छठे थे प्रद्युमन सिंह 2020 से लेकर 2025 प्रद्युमन सिंह। इससे पहले के गोयल, हीरालाल जी देवपुरा वॉज द सेकंड, मानिक चंद थर्ड एंड बी डी कल्ला वॉज द फोर्थ। तो ये है स्टेट इलेक्शन फाइनेंस कमीशन की लिस्ट। अब हम देखते हैं स्टेट ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन की जो लिस्ट है। तो जस्टिस कांता कुमारी भटनागर 2000 मार्च के अंतर्गत आते हैं। यहाँ पे स्टेट ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन फंक्शन इन द मार्च ऑन द अर्ली मेंबर वाज द इंक्लूडिंग द श्री अकोलिया जोशी एंड द आलम शाह। फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ द फंक्शन चेयरपर्सन कांता कुमारी एंड ये कुछ मेंबर्स हैं। सब्सिक्वेंट में आते हैं जस्टिस नागेंद्र कुमार जैन, उसके बाद में अमर सिंह गोदारा आएंगे। ठीक है, तो मैम नागेंद्र कुमार जैन इसके सेकंड पर्सन थे। और अगर इनकी लिस्ट देखनी हो हमें, पहले थे कांता कुमार जी भटनागर 2000 में आ गए थे। उसके बाद में के जैन आए थे 5 से 10, फिर आए थे सागिर अहमद थर्ड नंबर पे 2001 से 2004। उसके बाद में प्रकाश टाटिया 2016 से 19, और ये तो कुछ मेंबर्स हैं सारे। तो हमें कांता जी, के जैन, फिर सागिर अहमद तीसरे और प्रकाश टाटिया वॉज द फोर्थ। तो ये है फॉर्मर चेयरपर्सन एंड मेंबर्स भी हैं इसमें, बट चेयरपर्सन के नाम हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं। अब हम देखते हैं स्टेट वुमेन कमीशन। Rajasthan State Women Commission was a statutory body. It was in 1993 to deal with the crime against the women, and it is a quasi-judicial body. So it was constituted 15 May 1919, and गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट दैट वाज लाल कोठी में है इसका ऑफिस। रेहाना रियाज चिश्ती चेयरपर्सन है। राजस्थान स्टेट कमीशन फॉर वुमेन फॉर्म टू द इन्वेस्टिगेट स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम रिलेटिंग टू द 15 मई है, तो मेरा बर्थडे आता है 23 मई को, एंड इट इज़ 15 मई 1999। सेफगार्ड द राइट एंड इंश्योरिंग द प्रोटेक्शन वेलफेयर ऑफ द वुमेन, जेंडर बेस्ड इशूज़, वायलेशन recommendation for the women based issues, and that was creating the awareness about this. So Rajasthan State Commission for the Women was the chairperson and the other member. The social department make the modalities of the chairperson. This salary and emoluments was fixed by the state government. And Rihanna Chisti is giving here for this membership. One is Suman Yadav, second is Anjana and Sumitra Jain. Three members are there. Suman Yadav, Anjana Meghwal and Sumitra Jain. Sumitra, Anjana, and this commission should ensure it adhere the provision of the protection of the women under the constitution. It is the agency implement protection measures against the women and making the recommendations who are failed for the justice, taking the authority women complaints and non-implementing these proactive measures, counseling also they are inspecting and initiating the educational research, inquiring suo motu any complaints issued derived from this women. So this is all about relating to the women welfare. ऐसे ही हमें वुमेन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में भी देखना है. National Commission for the Women. So National Commission for Women is a statutory body and government in all policy affecting the women. It was established 31 January in 1992. Okay, so that was in 31 January 1992 and New Delhi. And now Minister responsible Annapurna Devi, Ministry of Women and Child Development. And statutory में है विजय किशोर and chairperson that was Government of India. So it was constituted, and Jayanti Patnaik, the first head was Jayanti Patnaik, and Vijay Kishore Rahatkar is a chairperson. So Vijaya was the chairperson. Objective was right of the women in India for the providing the voice and political stories against and discuss about the police abuse. Commission was the publish the monthly report. Section 497 of Indian Penal Code. That was minor controversy over this, and penal code was charged adulteration equally. Now there was a demanded woman adultery अगर कोई problem है. Section 198 of the CRPC allow the women to file the complaints against husband and prosecute this behavior loopholes. Indian Penal Code allowing to the charges against the adultery. Mangalore attack controversy, Guwahati, lots of controversies were there. So first is Jayanti Patnaik, and second was the Mohini Giri. It was 1995. Third was the Vibha Parth Sarthi. First was Jayanti Patnaik, then Jayanti Patnaik के बाद में है Vibha Mohini, then Vibha, then है Purnima Advani was the fourth one, and Girja Vyas was the fifth one. Girja Vyas 6, Mamta Sharma 6, 7 is Lalita Kumara Mangalam, 8th Rekha Sharma, and presently Vijay Kishore Rahatkar. Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar. So this was the Women Commission of the India. Now, National Commission for Scheduled Caste is constitutional body, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, establishing 2004. This is for the SC. Okay, Scheduled Caste SC under the Article 338 of Indian Constitution, and 338A that was National Commission for ST is dealing with. So it was came in 19 February 2004. And National Commission for SC and ST in 1978 it was commissioned, but it was came into existence in 2004. Ministry of Social Justice, and that was under this, and Kishore Makwana is a chairperson, and Lavkush Kumar is the executive. So the first commission establishing in the 1978, the Bola Paswan Shastri as a chairperson, So first was the Bola Paswan for the ST and SC. In addition to the chairperson, including the vice chairperson, four set up as a national level advisory body on the broad policy, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. President of India appointed chairman and the fifth schedule of the Indian Constitution that deal with this, deal with the administration control of SC, ST and service condition, and that was determined by the president. Article 341 deal with the SC and Article 342 that was deal with the ST. So the first commission was in 1992, S.H. Ramdan as a chairperson. So first was commission constituted 1992 and the name was what, that was H.H. Ramdan, राम जी का दान कर दो आप. सेकेंड कमिश्नर आए थे 1995 में, यहाँ पे आए थे हनुमान थापा. सो फर्स्ट वॉज राम का दान किया, फिर हनुमान जी आ गए एज ए थापा. थर्ड कमिश्नर वॉज इन 1998 दिलीप सिंह बुरिया, जो कि थर्ड कमिश्नर थे, दिलीप सिंह बुरिया. फोर्थ कमिश्नर 2002 में आया था, बीजे सोनकर शास्त्री थे. एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंटिंग 2003 में यहाँ पे 89th अमेंडमेंट आया था, दैट वाज नेशनल कमीशन फॉर SC एंड ST के लिए इसने रिप्लेस किया. सो 89th अमेंडमेंट विच वाज इन द 2003 केम नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब रिप्लेस बाय नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब. नेशनल कमीशन शेड्यूल कास्ट वाज द फर्स्ट नेशनल कमिश्नर इन द 2004 कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड एज ए सूरजबान एज ए चेयरमैन. तो सूरजबान जी जो थे ये कौन थे, इसके चेयरमैन थे. सेकंड वॉज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड 2007 में और बूटा सिंह थे इसके, फिर बूटा जी आ गए इसके. थर्ड वॉज इन द 2010 पूनिया जी आए थे, फिर आल्सो विद द पूनिया चेयरपर्सन. एंड फिफ्थ नेशनल कमिश्नर जो था रामशंकर कथारिया मुरुगन एंड स्वराज विद्वान एज ए चेयरपर्सन अगेन. President appointed the Sri Vijaya Sampla as a chairperson of the 6th National Commissioner and Arun Haldar as a vice chairperson. So Arun Bala are the member. Now what are the functions? To investigate the monitor all matters of SC ST, to inquire specific complaint with respect to deprivation of participate advice planning related to the socio-economical development of the caste, present annually the report to the president and make such reports. Recommendation measures should be taken as a union and state effective implementation safeguard on the protection of this right. Discharge the function in relation to the protection and the welfare. So you can see first was Surajban, it was came in 2004 Haryana. Bhuta Singh Punjab 2007. Third was the Punia PL Punia 2010 से 2013 and R Shankar कथारिया 2017 से 2020. देन विजय सांपला दैट वाज 2021 से लेकर 2023 तक आए थे विजय सांपला. ठीक है. अभी है किशोर मकवाना 2000 गुजरात से हैं ये, 7th अभी 7th चल रहे हैं किशोर मकवाना. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस National Commission for the Backward Class. This is under Ministry of Social Justice. It is a constitutional body. It was originally statutory body in 1993, but National Commission of Backward Class Act आया था 2018 में. 102 amendment आया, that was 338B was included in the constitution. Main work commission to participate, advise the actively socio-economical development of the OBC. Jurisdiction Government of India 1993 and 14 August it was came and status granted in 11 August. So headquartered New Delhi. Virendra Kumar Khatik Minister. Commissioner is the Hansraj Gangaram Ahir as a commissioner का एक chairman है. That was a Hansraj Gangaram Ahir. Commission is the outcome of the Indra Sani case, which is published the interest litigation 1992 writ petitions, and that was given here. So inclusion of complaints, over inclusion or under inclusion of the OBC. Number of backward classes are there. So according to that National Commission for Backward Class proposed, and what are the composition? Subject Article 338B. A provision of any law made by the Parliament shall consist of chairperson, vice chairperson and 3 members. Okay, and 3 member condition and services and tenure. Chairperson, vice chairperson and members appointed shall be by the president. Chairperson, vice president, member commission shall be appointed by the president, and commission shall have a power to regulate the procedure. So now Commissioner Hansraj Gangaramji Ahir as a chairperson. वाइस चेयरपर्सन नहीं पता, भुवन जी है and बहुत सारे इसके मेंबर्स हैं. यू कैन सी 3 members and 2 लीगल एडवाइजर्स आर आल्सो देयर. So Bhuvan and Kholind and Tholaju. This is the member. Functions are what? That is a Section 9 NCBC Act. State has also constituted for the over the 1,000 groups to National Commission Backward, National Commission for Scheduled Caste and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. This initiate National Commission for Backward Classes in 38 and 338 10. That was given here. 102 amendment to investigate the matters related to the safeguard and to inquire the special complaints. President report to President annually and the time of commission may deem fit. Make the report for the measures should be taken by the union and implement the safeguard the protection welfare of this cards and discharge the functions of this commission. Next is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So that ministry is constituted in the and the ministers Virendra Kumar Khattik as a cabinet minister and the Ramdan Atawale minister of the state. B.L. Sharma is also there. So 85 and 86 the former Ministry of Welfare was divided into Department of Women and Department of Welfare and the Department of Scheduled Caste Development, Tribal and Minority Welfare. So Ministry of Home Affairs that was a work Department of Waqf and Ministry of Law separated by this ministry. So Ministry of Welfare was renamed the Ministry of the Social Justice and Empowerment in May 1998 and in this 99 Department of Tribal Development separated new Ministry of Tribal Affairs that was in 1999. 2004 following permission first Manmohan Singh Ministry Department of Women and Child Development independent ministry as a in 2006 and January. So Department of Minority Affairs that was also there. So first was the Ministry of Women Development in 2004, then Ministry of Minority Affairs 2006, and to propagate this philosophy, Babu Jagjeevan Ram is a national foundation has been set up the ministry. 2012 the social justice launched the online library also. So what are the organization? वन इज़ द चीफ कमिश्नरेट होता है दिल्ली में, नेशनल ट्रस्ट वेलफेयर पर्सन ऑफ ऑटिज्म, रिहेबिलिटेशन ऑफ काउंसिल, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वेलफेयर बोर्ड. सो दीज ऑल आर अंडर दिस मिनिस्ट्री. नेशनल कमीशन फॉर बैकवर्ड क्लास एंड शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब, सफाई कर्मचारी, नोटिफाइड ट्राइब्स एंड नेशनल कमीशन फॉर द रिहेबिलिटेशन एंड नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एम्पावरिंग द पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी. ये सब इसी में आते हैं. नेशनल बैकवर्ड क्लासेस एंड नेशनल दिव्यांगजन, लिम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड नेशनल शेड्यूल कास्ट, नेशनल सफाई कर्मचारी. सो यू कैन सी हेयर द मिनिस्टर कॉन्स्टेंटली राम सुबान सिंह. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस में जो मिनिस्टर्स हैं पहले थे राम सुबाग सिंह, उसके बाद अशोक कुमार सेन आए थे एंड आफ्टर देन देयर वाज ए कोठा रघु मरेया, Ashok Mehta and lots of members, and presently who is important member you can see. It is B.L. Sharma from Uttar Pradesh from the Bharatiya Janata Party and Ramdas Athawale